What up, YouTube fam? We're out here, Cycle Gear, heading out to Extreme Machines, like a little intimate gathering. Got our man Christian over here. Got JoJo's bike. Got a couple other folks out here, just waiting to roll out. Get some folks getting fuel, so we're gonna have a good time. Apparently, I should have listened and charged my 360 camera, but it's all good. I'll see if I can swap some stuff out. But yeah, just getting ready to roll out. We'll probably get there by 18:30, depending if we book it or not. But it'll be some good stuff. So, all right, folks.
The revolution will be live.
Same part.
Is that right? Yeah, you know what?
I stretched it too.
Oh, look at this.
When I lowered it.
Oh yeah, you're getting power to the ground a lot.
That's your shit.
Oh, that's the same one I got.
Look how it's tucked.
Ah, okay.
Lowered it.
Nice. Oh, so yeah, you'll have it all the way down right
Oh
now.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, before I leave, I gotta lower mine a little something.
you know how we do it. Get to a light.
Yeah, yep.
You know. What's that? 2019? 20. Oh, it's a 20. Yeah.
If it's anything like your last bike when you let me ride it,
It
I'll
blows the R1 away.
really. Man, that thing was fast though.
It was fast, but you know what? That thing was always trying to kill me. This one goes in stages. It's smooth.
Oh, okay.
It hits hard at 8, hits hard at 10, and hits hard like.
Oh, so yeah, it does the step. Okay, nice.
Thing's nice.
Oh man, looks like I gotta jump on this sucker.
Little stretch on it.
18's nice still. Yeah, like 7-inch.
But I see they painted everything. Like
They did.
it feels different.
You know what's really good in this thing? The braking is unreal.
What do you have on? Oh, you have the cartridges. All right, the shoulder cartridges.
This thing stops like crazy, man.
Yeah, you know
I've
what?
never had a problem yet.
These things are pushing so much now. Like you need the extra.
And the best thing they did was those new Vortex rear sets.
Mm-hmm.
You can really make it for your body. Like I put everything down and back, so you can
Yeah.
you can lay
Yeah,
on,
so you can-
put your feet this, so you're laying on pushing the flat part of your feet against.
Yeah, like how they did in the RoboCop remake, like how he was leaning, and that was a modified Z1000 that they used for that movie. I'm like, interesting.
I still gotta do carbon stacks.
Okay.
One more reflash. That'll pick up 7-10 more.
No, so who's doing your tuning right now?
More mafia.
Okay, Chris Moore. You hear that? Giving you a shameless plug after you slayed Mr. Gatson. Oh, big congrats, folks.
It was a good run though.
Oh yeah, he got him on the first
Ricky's been
one.
doing it forever though. He's got nothing to prove.
No.
He's been doing it forever.
Mm-hmm. But I like that he stayed humble with it. Oh man, you're provoking me to come out on the dyno, brother. All right.
Wait till it hits. Watch when it hits over 10 grand. You're see it go.
Yeah, it's gonna pull. All right.
Yeah.
So what you did with the sprockets? Like
I actually went lower to make it more top speed.
low. Okay.
All lightweight, super lightweight, but then lower for more top speed.
Okay. Yeah, because my gearing is still tall for that top speed. Because remember, I did 215 here.
Yeah, these come with 17 front already, so I wasn't trying to.
Okay, got it.
Rolling out.
All right, you be safe. You be safe. All right, no problem. Hey, if you got footage, you know what to do.
You already know.
Oh, all right, got it. All right, here we go. First pull.
He's just setting it up.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, he's getting ready.
Man, that thing sounds like an animal.
What's that?
All right.
We'll see you later.
Yeah, I thought I was just gonna, chill out today. But that was at what, 12 grand? No.
I did a fresh oil change on her today.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fresh off of one
I
too.
nut-bowled the whole bike. Being careful.
Okay.
retorqued everything.
I like the theme, the black and red.
Oh, you know I love the black.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got. Whoa!
He's not going hard yet, I can tell.
Did you tell him to?
I'll tell him to go hard. He's not going hard.
I told him anytime he has his hands on
That
Zeus.
sound like 3/4.
Okay. Wow, that's like they had the H2 and the 05,
Yeah.
06 ZX10. Yeah, 04, 05, yeah. Let's see.
Starting to get there.
Yeah, ready at 192, and that's the second pull.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you're gonna be over 200 with
Yeah.
that easily. Hey, what's going on? Good to see you. No, that's my man over here, Mr. Mike. Yeah.
I'm digging that shit.
See it on the tracks or
Don't be afraid.
something.
Yeah, right. And he got it stretched and everything, man. Okay.
Now you hear that shit.
Yeah,
You gotta open it
man.
up that
Yeah, okay.
time. Now he's taking it. That thing hits 10,000. You're like this.
Man, that blows the other bike out
Look
the
how light it
water.
is, though. It's 418 pounds.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Super
okay.
Ain't got no weight to it. I dropped 14 pounds. We'll go into titanium Zeus.
Okay.
Super light.
Man, this is light years different from the other bike.
Yeah. I want a whole different route.
All right. Well done. All right, doing one more, folks.
What, 202, 203, the last one?
Yeah, it was 2027, I think. Ooh. 206. My brother, well done.
Thank
That
you.
that is what.
That's home built.
Oh my goodness. See, you gotta watch this guy. He gonna be challenging the monster right here. That's it's like Zeus's numbers, and then this is 1,000. Very nice.
Look at that power curve. See when
Yeah.
it hits like the VTEC, it hits like the 8.
Yeah,
See,
I
it's
see
that
the steep
barrel
jump
cam.
like right there. All
It
right.
hits 10, it's like,
Yeah, I'm thinking of playing with my gearing soon. We'll see. We'll
you gotta take
see.
it for a ride. You're gonna enjoy it.
Oh man, you know what? Well, long overdue for a visit, my brother.
Yeah, no, definitely, man. I'm almost done building the motor and the boss.
Like, I don't even notice. She
All
really.
right, so I got 2 clips on this one. Yeah, I'll send you what I got. All right, so what? This is the 5th pool. Right. I think he did 206 again.
Yeah, that's, I think that's all she got.
All right.
Can't complain.
Still, that
Can't complain.
S1000s aren't messing with that. But yeah, they were saying that this Jigsaw is the real deal.
It's nothing like anything I have, but this thing pulls hard.
Yeah. Again, Mr. Mike, it is new bike. That's what I'm talking about, folks. All right, folks. Y'all know what it is. So I'm the last one, and after this we go home. All right. I'll probably be at 205 or so. Alrighty, they done painted the room and everything, so let's see where we're at. Alright, so here we go. Last bike to go. And folks, I didn't get to record as much because I was actually enjoying the bike night. So yeah, Mike was doing his thing, because more Mafia was all in his bike.
No, Predator always doing his thing.
Did-
Predator.
did-
Last couple of years he been here. Now we're gonna see what you did different this year.
Well,
See what your numbers is.
and just minor stuff, but there's big things coming next season. But 100%, because the bike's almost paid off, so I don't have to worry about nothing.
Now I switched over now. No more ZX10.
Yeah, I know
got the
you would get the BMW. I gotta do that. What you riding with
See
you?
what mine make.
All right, bet. So he's gonna give you a couple pulls.
So we can line it up any day.
Oh.
Perfect content for your channel.
All right, bet. Hey, I'm gonna be setting something up for Seaside, man. We'll have some fun. Man, those slingshots are freaking awesome, man. All right, so Zeus is getting the calibration. All right. Calibrated to 12. I think he did 4 for and for Mike too. $200 on the first one. Nice. Well, the bike was warm this time, so.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
They're already at Marcus's top speed.
What was that, 207?
207. That was gonna
How the 12 is when I take it out.
Yeah, man, I'm waiting for that.
I'm doing a track on Sunday, so it's going to be next Sunday. It's going to be the Seaside one.
All right.
The first official Seaside one.
Okay. We're back. Zeus done shook this thing loose. So, getting another pass. That's probably the last pull.
Now he can go past. He just doesn't want to bounce off.
Yeah, I told him go for it. Like, yeah, I'm fine with that. Like,
Yours is flat.
alright. Okay, and that's all she wrote, folks. Let's see what the verdict is. Alright, YouTube folks. Alright, here's if you're just tuning in or however I edit this. Last night Zeus was triumphant in winning his second Dyno shootout. And big shout out to Brock's Performance and Gould Motors. And yeah, a couple of things. It looked like, if I put that video beforehand, like Zeus did like 214. He did 213, 214 miles per hour at like 202, 203. I did a couple of things that I hadn't disclosed yet, but it looked like the clutch was slipping. So after this video's concluded, I have to do a couple of things. Now, in the conclusion of the battle, it threw my traction control off. So that was one thing. And then, Zeus was at like 140. Then it looked like the clutch slipped, and then it went to like 150, 160 real quick. Like then it caught, and then it went up to like 214. And then, Maselli from Extreme said he didn't want to push it too much. I mean, the bike was riding fine when I came home. I wouldn't even have known, but I think it's a symptom of now, I need, for the type of riding that I do, I don't do drag passes or anything like that. I just like to take speed in Mexico. So that's going to be my next project. I'll be on the phone trying to get a hold of these guys and see what can be done. Hopefully they can help a military veteran out, and I can get the parts that I need. I'll purchase that, get it, and then maybe I'll do a time-lapse video of what I gotta do. Also, because this is a gold flash, Don told me that, and there was a video he had where you can reset error codes with the bike in 5th gear. If I remember correctly, you put the bike in 5th gear, hold the accelerator for 20 seconds, and it should clear the code. I believe that's exclusive to his flashes. I know Brock and Ghoul work together in tandem on different projects. So if you have to do that, I'm gonna try it and see where we get. So yeah, Zeus came, aka Toothless, came back with some battle scars. But big shout out to my boy Mike. I know Chris Moore was all in his bike, and he set it up real nice. He was winning the shootout last night until I jumped on there, but like it was a struggle. It was pretty close because of clutch issues. So I did see Brock's video that when they put the clutch mod in it, it kind of eliminated that play or the slipping, at high RPMs and stuff. So this is the first time this has happened with the traction and that. So we'll see. We'll do some investigating. So I'll keep y'all posted. Right, let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to reset the code after talking to Don Ghoul on Facebook. So, I went back and forth from the driveway, and I was able to get it. And Ace is now, oh my gosh, sorry about that. So I got the bike in 5th. So okay, so keep it on. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the throttle open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. There we go. Ghoul, you are the man. Reset that code as he said. Actually. Alright, yeah, now I can go into full power, low. Alright, so fix that. And get the traction. Okay, so I'm back in business. Let's see. Back to normal. Courtesy of Ghoul Motors. Make sure you check them out. Don, you are the man. You are the man. Thank you.